Aero India is a very important show. Most of the defense and aerospace majors are present here. Rangsons Aerospace itself is part of NR Group. We have been in business for 75 years. Historically to Agarbhattis, but we are a very diversified group. Rangsons Aerospace is a very unique company in the defense and aerospace domain in India. Fundamentally because we are one of the 2-3 companies in the country that cater to both global aerospace majors like Boeing, Airbus, GE, Honeywell, and working very closely and strategically with the Indian MOD, the Navy, the Air Force, the DRDO establishments. And we're very excited that in this air show we have several announcements. The first one being that we are introducing India's first LEO compatible satellite antenna terminal, which is a one of a kind in the country. And we have tied up with an Israeli firm called Ovosat, where we will be buying over the technology and we will co-develop the product together. We already have the first product and it's demonstrated here in our booth at this Aero India show, so we're very excited. We're also very happy to announce a new contract signing with Liebherr Aerospace. Liebherr is one of the leading aerospace companies in Germany, and we have collaborated with them to build aviation tubes and ducts and heat exchanger headers for the global aerospace industry. We are doing so many interesting things even for ISRO. We have participated in ISRO's first manned mission, which is going to happen next year. We are providing the life support system for that mission, which is a very prestigious project overseen by the Honorable Prime Minister himself and his office. So Rangsons is poised in a very good position to leverage all these opportunities, and we are sure we are growing to become one of India's largest and most important Atmanirbhar product development company in defense and aerospace. So, basically what happens is back in 2013 when we established Rangsons Aerospace, we were very particular that we want to be a product technology company. Because a lot of companies in India automatically go to the services route, and we wanted to be a product technology owner, and that means a lot of R&D. So we established an R&D center early on to make sure that we own the technology for the products we make. Because it's very easy to do contract manufacturing of products and components, but to own technology is the key. That's when you become truly Atmanirbhar and truly self-reliant. So we started developing products in airborne thermal management. We were India's first company to build, qualify an airborne heat exchanger. We supplied it for the Dornier platform. Now we are supplying it for the ULH, ALH, and also exporting it now to Honeywell and GE and other companies around the world. Later, we got into satellite communication antenna terminals, and we tied up with a company in Israel. We actually invested in that company and bought over the technology. It is the world's smallest SATCOM antenna terminal. We're very proud that it has been supplied to the US Special Forces and now to the Indian Navy and Indian Air Force as well. We have a very large order book, and we are a first mover in this space. It's called SATCOM on the move, SOTM, and we are very happy that we are a leader in that space in India today. To your question, we've always looked to manufacture systems. Like I said, manufacturing is one part of it, but developing the technology, designing it, customizing it for the Indian environment, and getting it qualified is the most important thing. Today, we are very happy to say that we have a line of products that we have displayed in our Aero Show booth, articulating all the domains we are present in, whether it is fluid conveyance systems, airborne thermal management systems, or satellite communication and data link systems. We are also very happy to share that we are probably one of the very few companies in the country that is doing software using very advanced AI, ML and learning models for radar image processing and signal processing. We are today working with very prestigious organizations, very important projects for India where we process radar images for underwater and marine applications. Apart from all of this, we are tying up with global majors to bring in IFF, EW and radar systems to the country. So we are very advanced in our manufacturing. We have 2 manufacturing locations, one in Bangalore with a 2-acre campus, 50,000 square foot of built up area. In Mysore we have a world-class 120,000 square foot, 5-acre campus doing some cutting-edge global manufacturing and precision engineering for Boeing, for Airbus, for Honeywell, for GE and many other global majors. So we're very proud where we are today, and I think we are poised to become India's most important defense and aerospace platform.